6.3 question number 4. In this question, in the given figure, angle PRT is 40 degree, angle RPT 95 degree, angle TSQ equal to 75 degree, and we have to find angle SQT. In this question, you can find using angle sum property in triangle PRT. You can find first angle PTR, which will be equal to vertically opposite angle STQ in triangle SQT, and thereafter in triangle SQT, by applying angle sum property, you can find angle SQT. Otherwise, you can use exterior angle property of a triangle also. See this angle RTQ, this angle is exterior angle of this triangle PRT, which will be equal to angle P plus angle R. So let us find this exterior angle RTQ with the help of angle P and R, and the same angle RTQ is exterior angle of triangle SQT also. So using this exterior angle RTQ for this triangle SQT, we can find out angle SQT. So both ways we can proceed this question to find the angle SQT, using angle sum property and also using exterior angle property of a triangle. So let us use exterior angle property of a triangle and find out angle SQT. So angle P plus angle R is equal to angle RTQ. RTQ, region exterior angle property. Angle P 95 degrees, angle R 40 degrees equal to angle RTQ. So this implies angle RTQ is equal to 95 degree plus 40 degrees, 135 degrees. So this way angle RTQ, which is exterior angle of triangle PRT, we have found equal to 135 degrees. Now the same exterior angle RTQ for triangle PRT is also exterior angle for triangle SQT. Now angle RTQ is equal to angle TSQ plus angle SQT, region exterior angle property, because angle RTQ is also exterior angle for triangle SQT. So region we can write exterior angle property. And this implies angle RTQ 135 degrees equal to angle TSQ 75 degrees plus angle SQT. This implies angle SQT is equal to 135 degrees minus 75 degrees. So angle SQT is equal to 60 degree, and this is the answer.